Hi, I'm Ashton with RAB Audio. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling our ProRak LS840. And in later videos we're going to be covering the expansion products for this desk. Remove the product from the box. Carefully remove the plastic wrap from the unit. Your instruction sheet and hardware pack can be found wrapped onto the unit itself. Find these items before you continue. Lay out all of your pieces. The pre-drilled holes are here, and this is your hardware. This product can be bought in two different trim colors, black and almond. You will need 8 3/4 black screws, both A2s, C1, 4 rack rails, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the rack rails and set the keyboard slides aside for now. If you choose to use a drill, make sure you set your torque settings low so you do not strip the holes. Place your rack rails over the pre-drilled holes. Then attach the 3/4 screws with racking holes facing the bumper mold. The rack screw size required for loading gear is 1032 thread. For step 2, you will need 4 cap nuts, 4 1/4" conformat screws, both A1s, both A2s, and a 4mm hex key, or a hex bit. The ProRak LS840 has a minimum height of 35 inches with a maximum height of 38 inches. I'll set my cap nuts in the middle of each row inside of each A2. Flip A2, secure A1 using the 1/4" conformat screws, then do the same on the opposite side. Step 3 requires 10 conformat screws, B1, B2, both finished A2s, and a 4mm hex key or a hex bit. Attach B1 to the inside of A2 with the curve facing downwards. Attach B2 to the inside of A2 with the cable management holes facing B1. You can now stand it upright. For step 4, you will need 3 conformat screws or 3 flathead conformat screws, C1, C3, and a 4mm hex key or hex bit. Line up the 2 farthest holes on C3 to each side, then secure C3 with 2 conformat screws. Line up C1 under the middle hole on C3, then secure it to C3. Do not use the flathead conformats if you have purchased the ProRak LS840 monitor expansion. Step 5 requires 8 3/4" black screws, slide adjustment screws, C2, keyboard tray slides, and a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the L-shaped extenders to the keyboard slides with tabs facing inwards, using all 12 slide adjustment screws. Place keyboard slides over the 4 pre-drilled holes on C2 and secure them with the last 3/4" black screws. This is how it will look when done correctly. Continuing step 5, you will need 3 conformat screws, 4 slide mounting screws, C2 with slides attached, keyboard tray, 4mm hex key or hex bit, and a Phillips screwdriver. Slide C2 into the slots on C1 and sides. Find the holes on C2, then secure with the remaining conformat screws. Hold the keyboard slides all the way out and push down where it says push to release the mounting slides. Attach the mounting slides to the keyboard tray with the slide mounting screws. Now you may slide in your keyboard tray. This has been an unboxing and assembly of our ProRak LS840. If you have any questions, please contact us at rabaudio.com.